Karen, I'm just going to wipe over your skin to start with. Just going to spritz this over. If you close your eyes. Pads. Just freshen up the skin. And then I always like to start with the eyebrows first. Just going to keep it fairly natural. Okay. So before I go in and wipe the brows, I'm just going to put some hydration on the skin. This is really lightweight, but acts as a nice primer. Apply that, the brush to start and blend. A little bit on the nose area. I was trying if there are any sort of drier areas, then I can add a little bit more as well. It's quite a nice tacky primer. Stay the skin. Just brush the brows. And so I like to keep the brows quite natural within this space here, and just have a little bit more definition on the arch, and then coming down. Keep Karen's lashes really natural for this look as well. And the brush. And the roots. Just getting an angled brush, working in. This is not black, it's just a darker brown. It's a bit softer. Just working that in between. Giving a little bit more definition there. The same this side. Working. And I'll soften it up. Just working that there are any gaps, then I'll just go in, just fill any gaps. Just here. Again, just keeping that area nice and natural. Down. I'm going for a quite soft look on the lids. You close your eyes for me. Just going in with a bit of a primer. My lids. Working this in. And working on the skin in a minute. Give me a nice base. And I'm just going to work on the centre of the face, just working it out. Just targeting the areas, stippling that on. It's going to work around this side. On the forehead. And then I'd go into areas with a small brush. Like this. Underneath. Just a little bit lighter. You've got that lightness in the centre. Keep your eyes. Peek out if you look up for me. Perfect. Stippling. Pressing. Doing that really, really gently around this area. Okay, relax your eyes. And then if there are any sort of extra areas that I need to cover, just really tapping. The skin is nice and even. Get just a little bit around the nose, because sometimes you get a bit of a discoloration. Just making sure it's nice and even. Really keeping the skin nice and fresh. So working in a warmer shade from the skin tone, just as a bit of a blush. Stippling that in. This will just act as a bit of a base for me. And I'll go in just with another blush colour. This just gives a little bit of warmth to the skin. Just gives a lovely glowy look, fresh and glowy. in. And then I'm just going to work just a deeper tone on the lids and the eyelids. Could also tight line with this colour, bit of a Karen. I'm just going to go in over the lid. Just working that in, just taking the main product on one side, keeping that clean so I can buff with that other side. So just applying colour there. This is an easy way of smoking the eye out softly, and then taking that clean side, and then I'll just buff that down with that side. Almost acts as a little bit of an eraser, blending that. Open for me, you can see the difference. And then same this side, just apply, tapping that down, placing the colour there. Can go a little bit more close to between the lashes. I'm just going to go without mascara, just keeping it really natural, having it about that soft, smoky glow. Quick look. If you're going out in the evenings, you could then tight line and then go in with some mascara for this particular look. If you're open, and I just want to keep that definition on the lid, and then I'll soften underneath. Again, just taking a little bit of that concealer if you look up for me, and then I just want to really highlight Karen's natural colouring here, which really works well with that colour that I just put on the lid. And then just tapping that, same as this side, just enhancing the shade that we've naturally got there already. Working that in. And then I like to take a concealer brush and just make sure that that's blended. Just really work that in, tapping it down. Working in like that. And you can see just the natural shade that it's already got. And then over the top, I want to work in. This is almost like, let's grab this one. You could go in with a nice soft pink or a peachy, so I've gone in with a warmer shade, but then I'm going to go like this over the top. Just give more of a flush of colour. You can see how Karen's skin's really glowy as well. Just going to press that in. Got some powder. Just going to now work a little bit of powder just into key areas that want to knock back some of that shine. So just really stick that in, and I'll be working just a colour on the lips. I'm going to go for a really nice gloss for Karen. stippling that in, just knocking back. We want the sort of glow around the cheek area, and I'm knocking back. T-zone area, just setting that, just setting that concealer. It's very, very lightweight powder. It's almost like a blotting powder. This is anything heavy. I'm backing that in. Lovely. See, we've got that really nice glow. Stippling that on, really making sure that's nice. And I'm working this really beautiful highlight gloss for the lips. It's got a little bit of that pinkiness in there. Really press your lips together. Peachy highlighty colour. And then let's I'm just going to spritz over a setting spray. If you close your eyes, and then I'm just going to put setting spray to the skin.